Good morning, students. How are you today?
I am good, sir. Thank you.
Okay, students. So today we will talk about customary units of measurement, means some international units from one unit to another unit. Okay, students. So we will divide all the measurement units into three categories. One will be length, another will be weight, and third one will be capacity. Okay. So today in this class we are going to talk about different units of length. So, where we use the length unit, for example, suppose you want to measure your height, you want to measure the length of your classroom, you want to measure the length of your house, okay? So, all these things are measured in terms of length. For example, you want to measure the distance between Alain and Dubai, okay, or Dubai and Sharjah. So, these are the different examples where we use the length. Okay, and now we will see the various units used to measure the length. These are the various units for length, like inch or inches, you can say, foot, yard, and mile. Okay, normally we use these units as international measurement units.
Sir, may I ask one question?
Yes, Prithvi, why not? You can ask the question.
Sir, you said that units for the length are inches, feet or foot, yard and miles. But what are these then, kilometer, meter or centimeter?
That's a very good question, Prithvi. Everybody, can we clap for Prithvi? Okay, so as Prithvi said that there are some other units of length also, like meter, kilometer, centimeter. Okay, so these units are called metric units, and you will study in another class, okay, or maybe in another chapter. But right now we are discussing about some international units. So the first relation is 1 foot is equal to 12 inches.
Sir, can I ask you one question, please?
Yes, Divyansh, why not? Go ahead.
Sir, what is the right word? Is it foot or it is feet?
That's amazing, Divyansh. Very good question. My dear students, try to understand one thing. Foot means just when we have one, it is a single unit. But when we have plural, means more than one, then it is called feet. For example, 5 feet. I am 3 feet tall. Okay, so in informal discussion you can say foot or feet, it's okay. But if it is your official discussion or if you're writing any English exam, then definitely you will take care of these things. Okay, so if it is only one thing, then you will write 1 foot. But if it is more than one, then you must say or you must write feet. Okay, hope you understand this difference.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so I have told you one relation. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. And now another relation is 1 yard. Yard full spelling is Y-A-R-D, but in short how you write? Y-D. Okay, so Y-D means yard. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. See, students, if it is feet or foot, in short you write it as FT. There is no change. Okay, so 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. Now one more relation in the length is 1 mile is equal to 1760 yard. Okay, here I will tell you one thing, my dear students, that mile is bigger than the kilometer. Okay, that we will discuss in another lesson, but just I thought that I should tell you. So 1 mile is equal to 1760 yards. Now how you will get the questions in the exam? Maybe one unit will be given to you and they will say convert it into another unit. For example, if you have 5 yards, then 5 yards is equal to how much foot? Or you can say 3 feet, then how many inches? Like this you can have one unit to be converted into another unit. Okay, so we'll discuss all these things in detail with the help of one question. Okay, so for example, this can be the question like convert 6 yards into feet. Okay, so we'll see how to solve such questions and then you will practice some questions yourself. Okay, so what is the relation between yard and foot? I have told you just now that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So 6 yards will be equal to how many feet? It will be 6 multiply 3 means 18 feet. Okay, hope you understand this question. Now another question can be convert 5 yards into inches. Now here you can see that why I have taken similar question again, because it is just a conversion only. Okay, so this type of question also very important for you to understand. Try to understand it. Okay, so here what you can see that we have to convert in yard into inches, but yard is directly related with foot. So 1 yard is equal to 3 foot and 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So 1 yard will be equal to how many inches? It will be equal to 12 multiplied 3 means 36 inches. So 1 yard will be equal to 36 inches. So finally 5 yards will be equal to how many inches? It will be 5 multiplied by 36 inches, because we have just seen that 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. So 5 yard is equal to 5 multiplied 36 means 180 inches. Okay, Divyansh, can you solve this question? Convert 2 miles into yards.
Sir, as we know that 1 mile is equal to 1760 yards. So 2 miles will be equal to 2 multiply 1760 means it will be 3520 yards.
Very good, Divyansh. Excellent. Can you take your seat? Okay, my dear students, hope you understand this lesson. And if you think that such videos will help in increasing your knowledge, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.